Hi everyone, in front of me I've got INFINIX Note 40 and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So all we have to do is to open the recents, and depending on what kind of navigation type you've got set, you can do it differently. If you've got the 3 buttons navigation, simply tap on the button with a square icon or 3 bars icon, I believe, and then the recents will be opened. If you've got the gestures, simply swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device like that. And here we've got the recents. Of course, if you want to, you can close them manually one by one just by swiping them up. However, if you've got a lot of apps opened and you're sure you want to close all, just tap on this trash bin icon. And as you can see, we've got this information, which means that we just successfully closed background apps. However, as you can see here, we've got a really good evidence. Sometimes device won't close the last 3 of them. So all you have to do is to either tap on this trash bin icon again, or just do it manually. And this is it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.